to talk about filling in the lips. After you have your liner done, choosing the color that you wanted to do for the look that you're looking for, you want to start by using a brush, always better than using the tube. Now you can have a tube of lipstick and actually just slide the brush into it and gather enough. Using your hand or a sponge, take off that excess, and you're going to start by going downward on the lip, so you're following the crease of the lips. And this is called filling the lip with color. So rather than just having a lipstick that you would just slide around your lips, it's actually just surface. When you use a brush with the bristles and following the creases in your lip, you're actually filling the lip with color, and it will last much longer through your evening. We're going to blend that in and follow your natural lip line. And your lip color is filled but then blended with your liner, so you don't see any kind of lines. You don't want a separation. Even if you're using a darker color, you don't want that separation. You want somebody to see that you did liner. And on that last sweep, we're just going to come blend those two colors together. And lipstick there. And have my model go, always good to do, and smile pretty.